Hi there, and welcome to What's Smart Cooking. This week I'm cooking a Hungarian Goulash. Hungarian Goulash is basically stew made with sweet paprika and caraway seeds. Enough talk, let's get the pots and pans out and let's get cooking. For today's recipe we're going to require 500 grams of chuck steak, 1 brown onion, 1 carrot, 1 red capsicum, 400 grams of diced tomatoes, a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a tablespoon of sweet paprika, and a teaspoon of caraway seeds which I ground up earlier. 1 litre of stock. I'm using chicken stock, but you can use beef stock if you like. 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped, a tablespoon of corn flour, half a cup of rice and some sour cream. My first step is to cut up my steak. I'm cutting into about 2 centimetre square pieces. Today's meal is going to be for 2 people, so it's a fair amount of meat there. Put that to the side and onto our next ingredient. Next is onto the carrot. Cut into pieces about that big. Next, the onion. Top and tail it. That's done. And lastly, the red capsicum. All the seeds go up on the capsicum. Time to slice it up into small pieces. Dicing into around about centimetre square pieces. That looks good. Next, time to get the ball rolling, get cooking. Get the heat on. Splash of vegetable oil. We'll let that heat up a bit, then we'll add our meat. It's getting close, I can feel it. I think that's hot enough. Once the meat is browned all over, then we'll add the next ingredient. That colour looks good to me. Time to add the next ingredient, the onions. I think at this stage we could add the garlic as well. Giving it a good stir. We'll wait for the onion to get a bit of colour, then we'll add the next ingredient. Time now for the carrots. They're fairly large pieces of carrot. It's a slow cook, so they will cook through by the time it's done. No reason to wait any longer, add the diced tomato. Time now for the chicken stock. And it's at this time I'm going to add all my aromatics. My salt, my pepper, my sweet paprika, my caraway and my nutmeg all go in. Give it all a really good stir. Next, the corn flour. This will help everything thicken up. Well, that looks really good. The other thing left to go in is the capsicum. We'll put that in a bit later on. Put the lid on, come back in about half an hour. Time to see how it's going. I think it's time to add the capsicum. Give the rice a little bit of wash, then into the rice cooker. Into the cooker it goes. Hopefully we timed it right and the rice will be ready just when the goulash is ready. I think it's probably done. Let's have a look. Oh, that looks great. And the rice is done as well. Time to dish up. Starting off with a bit of rice. And beautiful goulash. That looks fantastic. It just needs one more thing to finish it off. Just a dab of sour cream. Beautiful. We come to the part that I look forward to most, taste test time. That meat to be cooking away for 90 minutes or more. It's so tender and so full of flavour. It's got to have more. Well, I hope you liked today's recipe, and if you did, hit the like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Don't forget, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.